Selena, Class 10, Chapter 6, Solving Problems on Quadratic Equation. Sum number 7. A footpath of uniform width runs around inside the rectangular field of length 32 meter and 24 meter wide. If the path occupies area of this path is 208 meters square, find the width of the footpath. Let the width of the footpath be W. Therefore, length of the inner rectangle will be whole is 32 minus 2W. 24 minus 2W width. Area of path equals to area of outer rectangle minus area of inner rectangle. Therefore, area of path is 208, outer rectangle 24 into 32 minus inner rectangle 32 minus 2W, 24 minus 2W. Open the bracket. 24 into 32, 768. 32 into 24, 768. 32 into minus 2W, minus 64W. Minus 2W into 24, minus 48W. Minus into minus plus 4W square. Okay, now open the bracket. 768 minus 768 plus 64W plus 48W minus 4W square. 768 get cancelled and take the terms to the left hand side. 64 plus 48, 112. 4W square minus 112 plus 208 is equals to 0. All are divisible by 4. Divide by 4, we get W square minus 28W plus 52 equals to 0. 52, 1 into 52 plus 52. Split in two terms such that its addition is minus 28 and multiplication is plus 52. Minus 26 minus 2. W square minus 26W minus 2W plus 52 equals to 0. W minus 26 into W minus 2 equals to 0. Width is equals to 26 or 2. If width is 26, then the breadth of the inner rectangle will be 24 minus 2W. 24 minus 52, which is minus 28, which is not possible. Therefore, the width of the footpath is 2 meters. Sum number 8. Two squares have sides x centimeter and x plus 4 centimeter. Sum of their area is 656 square centimeter. Express this as an algebraic expression in x and solve the equation to find the size of the square. Given two squares having sides x centimeter and x plus 4 centimeters. Sum of the area is 566 centimeters square. So area of this side square is x square. This side x plus 4 the whole square. Their sum plus equals to 656. Open the bracket. X square plus 8x plus 16 equals to 656. 2x square plus 8x 16 minus 656 is minus 640 equals to 0. All are divisible by 2. Therefore, x square plus 4x minus 320 equals to 0. Minus 320 split into two terms such that its addition is plus 4. Plus 20 minus 16. Multiplication is minus 320. X square plus 20x minus 16x minus 320 equals to 0. X plus 20 into x minus 16 equals to 0. X is equals to minus 20, 16. X cannot be negative. Therefore, x equals to 16. Thus, the sides of squares are 16 and x plus 4. That is 16 plus 4, 20 centimeter. Sum number 9. The dimensions of a rectangular field are 50 meter into 40 meter. A flower bed is prepared inside this field, leaving a gravel path of uniform width all around the flower bed. The cost of laying the flower bed and graveling the path at rupees 30 and rupees 20 per square meter respectively is rupees 52,000. Find the width of the gravel path. Let the width of the gravel path equals to W meter. Length of the rectangular field 50 meter. Breadth of the rectangular field 40 meter. Let the length and breadth of the respective flower bed be x meter and y meter respectively. Therefore, x plus 2w equals to 50, y plus 2w equals to 40. Area of rectangular field equal to 50 into 40, 2000 meters square. Area of flower bed equals to x into y meter square. Area of gravel path equals to 2000 minus xy meter square. Cost of layering flower bed plus gravel path is equals to total area, cost of laying per square meter, or the total cost. Cost of layering flower bed is 30xy. Cost for gravel path is 20 into 2000 minus xy equals to 52,000. 30xy, 20 into 2000, 40,000 minus 20 into xy, 20xy equals to 52,000. 30 minus 20, 10xy equals to 52,000 minus 40,000, 12,000. xy equals to 1200. From equation 1 and 2, we get 50 minus 2y, 50 minus 2w, 40 minus 2w equals to 1200. Open the bracket, 40 into 50, 2000, minus 40 into 2, 80w, minus 2w into 50, minus 100w, minus into minus, plus 4w square equal to 1200. 4w square minus 100 minus 80, minus 180w, 2000 minus 1200 is 800 equals to 0. 4w square minus 180w plus 800 equals to 0. Divide by 4 on all the sides. W square minus 45w plus 200 equals to 0. 200 divide into two parts such that its addition is minus 45 and multiplication is plus 200. Minus 5 minus 40. W square minus 5w minus 40w plus 200 equals to 0. W minus 5 into w minus 40 equals to 0. W is equals to 5 or 40. If w is equals to 40, then x will be 50 minus 2w minus 80. 50 minus 80 minus 30. The length of negative is not possible. Thus, the width of the gravel path is 5 meters. Sum number 10. An area is paved with square tiles of a certain size and the number required is 128. If the tiles has been 2 cm smaller each way, 200 tiles would have been needed to pave the same area. Find the size of the larger tiles. Let the size of the larger tiles be x centimeter. Area of the larger tiles x square centimeter square. Numbers of tiles required to be paved is 128. Therefore, area to be paved is equals to 128 into x square centimeter square. Let this be equation 1. Smaller size, larger size is x, so smaller size will be x minus 2 centimeter. Area of smaller size tiles is equals to x minus 2 the whole square centimeter square. Numbers of tiles required to be paved and area equals to 200. Area to be paved 200 into x minus 2 square centimeter square. Since both the areas are equal, therefore 128x square is equals to 200 into x minus 2 the whole square. That is x square minus 4x plus 4. Open the bracket. 200x square minus 800x plus 800. Okay. 128x square 200x square minus 128x square is 72x square minus 800x plus 800 equals to 0. Divide by 8 on all the sides. 9x square minus 100x plus 100 equals to 0. 9 into 100, 900. 900 divide into two parts such that its addition is minus 100 and multiplication is plus 900. Minus 90 minus 10. 9x square minus 90x minus 10x plus 100 equals to 0. Take out first two terms and last two terms. In this, 9x is common, x minus 10 minus 10 is common, x minus 10 equals to 0. In these two terms, x minus 10 is common, into 9x minus 10 equals to 0. X is equals to 10 or 10 upon 9. If x is equals to 9, then x minus 2 is equals to 10 upon 9 minus 2. That is equals to 10 minus 18 upon 9 equal to minus 8 by 9. Length cannot be negative, so it is not possible. Hence, the size of the larger tiles is 10 centimeter.